a warmer area. We have a lake here, another mountain, lots of trees. So this would probably be a forest when it's a warm season, maybe like spring or summer. I think it might be spring because you can still see snow at the top. So depending on where this is, I'm not sure where this is. They might have just had their cold season. Just guesses. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. Let's see what else. Ooh. We have a lot of these where we live. This is a river. Lots of different kind of animals live by or in a river. You can see we have all of these river rocks here, and the river flows through them. There might be fish in there, or froggies, tadpoles, minnows, probably a lot of buggies and different kinds of insects. And sometimes rivers flow to waterfalls. We have some really pretty waterfalls in our area. In Ithaca. If you've ever been to like Buttermilk Falls or Tinker Falls. So that's really pretty. I like waterfalls. Have you ever been to Niagara Falls? I went with my grandma and grandpa one year. I think they're really beautiful. I love water. I love water stuff. Really, really like water. And so these two, actually these three, are freshwater features or freshwater places on our earth. The water is non-salty. You could kind of drink it. I mean, the water might be dirty, but like you could, you know, drink it, and if the water is clean and not polluted or contaminated, you would be okay. I mean, you wouldn't get sick. But there are other water places on our earth like this, the ocean, and this is seawater. You cannot drink seawater. There's a lot of salt in it. Places or like rivers or like little lakes that are close to the sea are often brackish. Brackish means that maybe it's not fully seawater or ocean water, but it's still kind of salty, and so it's not safe to drink. So this would be an island, like the island of Motunui, if you like Moana. I love Moana. So this is an island. An island is surrounded by water. That means that there's not really land or any other land connected to it at all. They're usually pretty small. So we have an island in our country, technically. Hawaii is an island. It's very warm there. It's very beautiful. So that's an island. Lots of cool animals live on islands. Usually these places are very tropical, so they're warm and they have animals that like warm weather. And then the last one I have is a wheat field. Wheat field is important because wheat, this grain right here, this wheat is what makes a lot of food for us. It can feed animals, it can make flour, it can make a lot of different things that we use in food. So there are some cool places around the earth, some cool pictures of places around the earth to celebrate Earth Day.